Normally, to enforce a negotiable instrument under Article 3, one must have physical possession of the instrument. However, in limited circumstances, Article 3 sets the possession requirement aside so that one not in possession of an instrument may nonetheless demand payment from an obligated party. The most significant exception to the possession requirement involves lost, stolen, or destroyed instruments, which we'll discuss in this lesson. Before we dive in, it's important to note that Section 3309, which sets forth the rules regarding the enforcement of lost, destroyed, or stolen instruments, was substantively revised in 2002. However, because most states haven't adopted these revisions, we'll focus on the 1990 version of Section 3309. Under Article 3, a person not in possession of a negotiable instrument may nonetheless enforce the instrument if the non-possessor can prove the instrument's contents and that the non-possessor is indeed entitled to enforce the instrument. A non-possessor will be entitled to enforce an instrument if three requirements are met. First, at the time possession was lost, the non-possessor must have had possession of the instrument and have either been the instrument's holder or a non-holder wielding a holder's rights. Imagine that a law student borrowed $200,000 from a bank to pay for her tuition. The law student executed a note promising to pay that amount and promptly delivered the note to the bank, thereby making the bank the note's holder. About a month later, the bank caught on fire and the note was destroyed. Soon after, the bank assigned the note to a finance company. If the law student later dropped out of school and defaulted on the note, could the bank enforce the instrument? What about the finance company? Here, the bank could enforce the note. At the time the note was destroyed, the bank was the note's holder, and it was in possession of the note. The finance company, however, could not. The finance company didn't possess the note when it was destroyed, and therefore couldn't enforce it.